guys? This is Alex. I'm going to show you how easy it is to install the newly framed premium shower filter. Okay, it's really easy. First thing you do is take it out of the box, of course. Check everything's there. It comes with a replacement filter, which you won't need for about 6 to 8 months. Comes with Teflon tape. I just used it just now, but it comes with Teflon tape. This is to create a seal. And you have the filter itself. And it should have in that 2 silicone seals, okay? You also have the instructions, but if you're watching this, you won't really need them. And as well as a coupon for future replacement filters, okay? So just make sure you have everything. And then the first thing that you want to do after you take it out is you want to take off your shower head, which should be pretty easy to do. All you got to do is twist it to the left. And most shower filters, I should say shower heads, they come off pretty easy. If you have trouble, you can use a towel and a wrench and kind of pull it off, or just get someone strong and you can, but most of them should come off pretty easy. And you put that aside. Okay. Put it here. Alright. And then what you want to do is you want to take your Teflon tape right here, and you want to wrap your Teflon tape around these corrugated grooves so that you have a seal. And this is waterproof, and what it does, it prevents water from leaking. It's as simple as that. So I'll show you how to do that. Okay. So you just go like this. You don't even need scissors or anything. You just wrap it around. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to fill the corrugated grooves. Wrap it a couple of times. Alright. And then once you've done that, you can pretty much just tear it right off. It's not that strong. Okay. See, you have that right there. Alright. Next thing you do is you screw it in. Oh, and also you can have this wrapped with Teflon as well. This was already done, so we're saving a little bit of time. Okay, good. And then you take one of these silicone seals, you put them right here, and you screw it on. And it should also be very easy to screw on. It's the same in North America as it is in Europe. They're all very easy. The filter is already inside, the one that it comes with, so you don't need to worry about that. I'll show you how to put on a replacement filter in another video. Okay. Then you take your shower head, put the silicone seal right there, and attach that. Also, it should screw on really easily. Might take a minute. Okay. Good, and there you are. So now this is going to filter all of the chlorine out. There's a lot of filters on the market. This one is actually really good with filtering chlorine itself. The chlorine is what causes your skin to dry, your hair to get flaky, skin irritation. It's basically the main reason, the main thing that you want to filter out of your water. There's other ones that have like 15-stage filters, 16-stage, you know, it's just, really you just got to get the chlorine out. Other things are okay to get out, but they're not really going to harm you as much as the chlorine, because the chlorine is in the water as like a cleaning agent, but your skin doesn't need that. It just needs what comes out of there, okay? So yeah, you can get like a 15-stage filter. Only one stage is going to filter the chlorine, and it's kind of like a marketing thing. You don't need that much stages, right? Eventually they'll have a 27 filter stage shower filter and the water won't even come out or something. Okay, so that's that. Once that's up there, what you got to do next is you got to run it for about 5 to 10 minutes. And what that does is any residue that's there, it's going to wash it out. It's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes. It'll come out. Yeah, we won't do it right now, but we don't have to wait that long. But you'll see, if you look down here, this is what it looks like to begin with. And then you run it for 5 to 10 minutes. All of that's going to wash out, and then your filter will be ready to use. Okay? And then if you have any further questions, you can go to the website, which is newleafrain.com. And also you'll be able to get special on replacement filters. Okay, so that's how you do it. It's really easy. It takes just a few minutes. And I'll see you in the next video.